Hey guys, welcome back. So today what we got going on, I will be measuring to cut a baseboard or board panel to cover right here, as well as over here and the other side as well. So let me just show you guys what I'm about to cut. All right, so this is it right here. So this is going to be the side. It's actually rough to the touch, but I don't know. It'll be okay. Rough to the touch, but I don't know why I got it like this, but I'm gonna work with what I got. So I already measured. Got some indications to measure. Right, so from the bottom to the top, around here, it'll be like 34 and a half. From here to there is about 36 and a quarter or so. So yeah, so I'm gonna cut this out and then get it nailed to the side of the frame. All right, guys. So this is what I'm thinking of doing. So I'm going to lay some 2x4s on each side, so I'll be able to put the panel on top of that and then cut. That should be suitable, because I don't really want to go outside and cut. I gotta just clear up that mess over there. Maybe give myself some room. Bring in the panel, pop the top of there, and do my cuts. All right, let's get to it. Managed to get it inside, so I got it propped up in some 2x4s. So I have some space. Sorry, some space to pass through without damaging the floor. Right? So that makes sense. So all I gotta do is get my measurements that I want from the frame in the kitchen to over here. Well, guys, and there you have it. What do you guys think so far? Not too bad. Not too bad. So that's it right there, guys. All right, guys. So what we're gonna do today, I'm going to, since I got this fitted, I'm going to just take it off and then put back and then install the beams. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do right now. Install more beams. Basically put the beams together properly. So I got the right fitting. So for this size, I'm gonna put some more beams up this way, maybe at least 2 over here, and then screw this together like a T shape, if you can see it, right? And then same thing over here, T shape, and then 2 more 2x4s over here as well, and then get these frames together properly. All right. So let's get this started. All right, so I got the beam in. So right now I'm about to just make sure it's level so I can screw it in. Okay. Perfect. In case y'all wondering what I'm using, 3-inch nails. And these particular, I'm gonna show you in case anyone, whoever watched this video could see what type of nails I use. You can pick these up at Home Depot. 3-inch interior wood screws, and then these got like a particular finish. So if you look underneath, it helps get into the wood, so it'd be like a flush finish on top of the wood. So this is what I got, in case you guys are wondering. A particular bit for it. This is the bit that you would use for it. This right here. Can you focus on that? There you go. That's the bit that I would use to go in here, right? All right. And it doesn't strip. Best screws I've seen so far. I've used. So you guys could use that. You can see, I don't know if you guys could see that, but I'll get a little closer. Where is it? Right there. Almost flush. So perfect. All right. Sometimes you guys would see a project done and then they don't talk what screws they use. So hopefully that helps anyone that's wondering what screws I'm using for their project. Right. Completely flush. Look at that. Right in the wood. It don't stick up. It don't stick up. Yeah, right in there. That ain't going nowhere. So that's in. So I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna do the under the bottom part. I'm gonna flip it. So you got 1, 2, 3. 3 support beams, which should be strong enough to support a stone. screwing in, the wood actually split at the edge. It almost split here too. So it'll split down to the side, all the way down to this point right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to reinforce it with the brackets. All right, so let's do that right now. Just to make sure there's no kind of accident later on. Make sure it's really close, and then just use the bracket to reinforce it. So you look, just reinforce this, see the split. So, and then now it's reinforced right here, just in case.